Hey, and welcome. If you hear anything in the background, it's my brother. Like I told you guys in my last reaction, that I basically have to stay inside my mom's room. So, so this is episode 4, Thursday, with the Chicken Girls, and I did not know that I was not even trying to look for it, but I'm glad that I found it. So let's see what this episode's about. Like I said, sorry I haven't been posting lately.
Previously on Chicken Girls.
Do either of you have a tampon? I'm having the worst period ever.
They showed the tampon.
In honor of the first week of school, I decided to bake some gluten-free, dairy-free cupcakes for everybody.
I miss us.
If you're
I miss
allergic
the
to
Chicken Girls.
gluten, why would you eat it?
Well, why don't you have one with that pep rally?
I'm afraid about what's gonna happen, man. I really am.
What are you doing here?
What do you think I'm doing here?
Are you here to do the makeout?
Depends.
The makeout. The makeout. Who names it that, bro? This just makeout.
You smell like strawberries.
Sorry if I cough. I kind of have like a little thing going on here. I don't know how it got started. Yo, dumbass! This is why you never eat nothing that you're allergic to. You never eat nothing that you're allergic to. But to be for real, he got some guts to do that. Some people wouldn't do that. They'd be like, yeah, I'm allergic to this. I'm not gonna eat it. But you know, he got some serious testicles right there. They didn't even do anything. They ended a guy vomiting. I feel bad for her. You didn't even use the tampon. Nice title card coming up. I love it. Our first time seeing Hayden swim like I wished for. They got my wish. Thank God. I'm afraid about who's gonna win. Hayden is getting beat. Yes! Like I wished for also. I think this is the episode when he tries to kiss Anya. Because from the thumbnail of the episode, it looks like it. So I'm not really sure. But I want that guy dating her. I want that what's his face, shark guy. First day loves TK. Aw. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Give it to her, man.
Panic posters?
Hey, I had to find some way to fill my time.
I just wanted to say sorry for being an idiot. If you want to manage the swim team,
You're not being
that'd
an
be
idiot.
awesome.
You are an idiot.
Thanks. I guess.
And I also wanted to apologize for telling Tim Sharp that you thought he was rudimentary.
Wait, what?
He asked me if I could ask you if you ran to him, and I just panicked.
Why'd you panic?
Quinn,
Come
what's your sister?
on,
She's with the
TK.
newspaper
Just
team.
tell her
Quinn loves her
already.
stuff. She'll be back soon. Don't worry. Is that right?
I told many girls that I
her
like them, no
around.
matter what.
Does she still know the dancer chants? Well, she's painting, so I don't know if you... Everyone take 5.
Okay. Everyone take 5. Let's just do that. Yeah, let's not even act nicely. Everybody just take 5. Always drink
Ellie and
water.
Henry totally did the makeout. What's the makeout? It's like a super romantic way of kissing. Wow, incredible.
Yeah, people at my school
That's
never
like your
say
fifth
that.
bag of those. Duh, these are like my favorite kind of chips. I mean, I eat them all the time. They're my thing. Take a snap of me eating them. We need to cool it on the chips.
You do.
There's something I have to tell you.
Come on, Hayden. Come on.
It's just hard to say.
Hey, little bro. I need to talk to your girlfriend.
Huh? Me?
Get to practice.
Practice what? Painting your signs?
You're on the team.
What?
Yes!
Why? How?
Rooney chose the school newspaper over us. She's done.
But
She want the spot or not?
Rooney? Who's Rooney? I never heard of her.
That's what I thought. Come get your jacket.
I want to see Snow. They said Snow's gonna be here.
What'd you want to say?
Oh, nothing. We can talk another time. Congratulations on making the squad.
Well, that means he's popular then, because if you're the brother of a cheerleader, that makes you popular, right? I don't know. None of my sisters are cheerleaders. None of them. I have like multiple sisters. older ones and younger ones. Ooh-wee. I've been coughing like all day. Dance team. That should say Chicken Girls on the back. Why does it not say Chicken Girls on the back?
Where'd Ryan just go?
Brady said something about, like, her rejoining the team.
No way. Ryan didn't just replace my sister. This is so messed up. Hello? Or to Ellie? Oh, sorry, what?
She's texting Henry. Didn't you know they're dating now?
Ellie, you can't date my sister's ex-boyfriend. Why not? They literally just broke up.
Okay.
Brittany probably ignored him like she ignored the rest of the dance team. Oh, really? So you're gonna take the side of a guy you made out with once and haven't even had a real conversation with? We've had plenty of conversation. Yeah? About what? Like salt and vinegar
What?
and chips. Wow. You're just jealous because you've never had a boyfriend.
Ooh.
That's not true. I have one now. First time hearing of it. Maybe that's because you're too busy with sloppy seconds with your new best friend, Kayla. Fine.
Hey man, I got the new
Who's
girl
your
in.
boyfriend?
What's
I'm
up?
dating
TK.
TK.
That's who hand we seen on the photo?
The best way to get to her is to make her jealous. Hey girls, pep rally in 5 minutes.
I need water.
No! Rhyme, what are you doing?
What's up, Ryan?
Are you just always around?
Or is it because you're always looking for me?
Listen, TK told me that he told you that I wouldn't want to be asked out by you, but that's not true at all. I'd love to be asked out by you.
Oh.
Sorry, that came out all wrong.
So, should I ask you out sometime?
How about right now?
You want to go see a movie
Ooh.
next weekend?
Yeah, sure. Okay, see you around.
Bro, this is all falling down. This is not how left is supposed to go. Oh. I want to see their parents though, cause like they haven't showed their parents yet. So I want to see their parents. You know, we have been seeing the school. Can we see their parents, please? You know, I just want to. I'm just asking. Hey, you guys tell me how I'm doing on these reactions. You guys tell me that, I do more. I promise I'll give you more reactions. Oh, she left. Wait, she didn't quit. She still got her jacket. But she didn't choose a new paper. Ah, here it is, right here. Here it is.
Wait up.
Here it is, guys. Get ready. Get ready.
Was
Get
that what
ready.
you had to tell me? That you've somehow been dating Quinn this whole time and I didn't even know about it?
No, she just needed my help.
Whatever. Doesn't even matter.
Ever since school started again, we haven't been able to hang lately.
Look, TK. I've had a lot of fun with you this summer, but I'm on the team again. I won't have a lot of time anymore.
I just wanted to give you this.
I'm gonna be late for dinner. See you around, TK.
Come on, TK, be a man. Be a man. Go to her, my boy. Go to
Ryan,
her.
wait
Oh
up.
no, oh no, this is what he thinks.
What?
No. No. You know what? You know what you're doing to me, Brat? You know what you're doing? You're ruining my dreams. I wanted to see him get denied, alright? I wanted to see him get denied so I could sit here and laugh. Alright? You done messed that up for me now. Thank you, Brat. But hey, peace, Middle East of y'all. Goodbye. Have an amazing day. Hopefully I see some of you guys in real life. If you recognize me out there on the streets in public, don't be scared to say hey. But peace, Middle East of y'all. Goodbye. Hope you like, subscribe, please. And if you want more reactions, tell me in the comments down below. Peace.